Good morning guys. So dumating na yung order natin na Kiki. Yung name ng seller. Foldable adjustable laptop. So the original price is 689. Pero nag-promo sila 299. So when you purchase it, 294 na lang. With shipping. Okay. So supposed to be yung price is 689. So 299 plus shipping na 100, so 399 siya supposed to be. But may free shipping siya at meron din yung coins na 5 pesos. At now if we receive this order, we will earn another 44 na coins. So ang kagandahan nito guys is invisible siya. So we will unbox. So meron siyang thanks for my dear friend, thank you for your purchase. If you are satisfied with our product, leaving us a feedback and let others know. Follow our store and give us a 5-star review. If there's any questions, please reach out or please reach us. We promise that you'll get a satisfying answer. Best regards. So Kiki Flag Store. So sa ibang guys, 400 to na price, yung promo price na. So mayroon siyang thank you card. Yes, later baby. So lagyan natin ng flavoring. Okay, so naka bubble wrap, you know. Oh, wow. So we choose color black. So sa loob naka-bubble wrap pa rin. Yan. So yan siya. Tingnan natin ito. I think this is the little manual for this thing. Yan. So very easy to use. You just spread and connect. So open close from this side. So ganyan lang siya. So sige. Remove natin. Op. So may sticker siya. Ayan. So lagay lang natin yan dito. So ito siya. Ito yan. Ayan siya. So ito yung stand niya. So meron siyang dalawang yan ang first level niya. Yan ang first level niya dito. And then ito yung second level niya. Okay? So then when you want to use this, you just spread. Yan. And then ito yung stopper. Yan. Side stopper for the top. Okay, so yan na. So okay, so yan na siya. So if you want to store or if you want to keep if you are traveling, bali non-slip siya guys, ito non-slip. So when you put your laptop here, hindi siya mag-slide. You just fold yan, then you push, then you push this one. Yan. So pwede mo na siya mapasok sa bag. Okay? So we will try to connect now. We will use the maximum level niya. Okay? Yan. Then dito. Okay? So we will remove our ROG from its place. Yan. Okay. So yan na guys. Invisible siya. Can you turn around? Yan. So yan. Op! Para mahuhulog siya. Okay. So yan. So yan ang maximum level niya guys. So gusto ko siya maximum kasi gusto ko siya eye level sa sa mata ko pa dito. Eye level siya. Yan. So titingnan natin, baka mahulog. So hindi natin siya pwedeng i-push na ano, baka mahulog siya. Hindi ito na siya. Kasi we are using the dito naman eh. This is our hub. Orico pala guys, na transparent na hub. So maganda yung dangle guys, kasi if you are using this laptop ports, most of the time you unplug, replug, so it will get damaged. So pag may dangle kayo, hindi nyo na kailangan i-unplug pa dito na kayo if you want to plug your phone or anything na yan, i-plug mo dyan na. Anyway, dito yung ginagamit natin. So we're using this part right here. So eye level na siya. Okay, so we will mark this order received. Yan. Okay. So yan isa. So we will rate this one because we will rate the we will rate the laptop stand. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this video unboxing. So have a wonderful day. Last time we would like to check the performance. So yan siya guys. Yan. So yan yung laptop stand natin. So mayroon siyang dalawang level. So invisible siya in a sense na hindi mo siya makikita pag dito ka sa front. Yung makikita mo lang ito, yung holder niya. So level siya. So we'll check. Lagay natin sa static. Then we will turn it blue. We will turn this one blue as well. Yung ano natin, yung color yan. So as you can see guys, can you turn off the light please? Turn off the light please. Okay, we'll let our audience see this. So this is a... You'll work this by yourself? Wow, this is Baby Caitlin. Okay, so Baby Caitlin is into drawing by the way guys. Okay, so going back, so yung itong mousepad natin, yan, Filipinohomes free app. We are working with free app guys. If you want to work online, PM me. Also Filipinohomes. Our ROG Mousepad guys, we bought this from Lazada. So it's a 300 by 700 mm. Yung dimensions niya. So it's around 1,100 lang. With RGB na siya. Yung mousepad. And then our review for today is our laptop stand. I will share the link later on this video. So as you can see guys, kunin ko lang yung lights. Yan. So yung ROG stick natin, G na laptop, meron siyang lights dito. Yan. So we elevated na this laptop. So eye level na siya ngayon. Okay. So ang kagandahan sa setup na to guys is that so rewarding siya, and you are inspired to work every day. Marami namang piling gawing inspiration, but another one. Wow. Okay. So maganda ang setup nito guys if you really love RGB. So ako kahit doon I love RGB, and even my motorcycle is RGB. Also this one is, we bought this for Baby Caitlin, and this one is the Baymax. So she like
Baymax. I love Baymax.
Okay, can you put this and smile? Smile. Put this in your face and smile. Like this. Okay. Yeah, yes, okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't.
Hi,
Subscribe.
Subscribe YouTube.
Okay.
Bye.
So, okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope na like nyo ang review natin sa laptop stand. So, magandang seller siya guys. I highly recommend. Maraming seller sa laptop stand pero ito yung nagustuhan ko. At siya ang pinaka-affordable. Okay? So, thank you so much guys for watching and don't forget again to subscribe to our channel, Job Opportunity Worldwide. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.